Hey guys, what's up? Alright, lots happened, so I'm gonna update you guys on everything that's happened over the period of time I have not been on YouTube because of my camera problems. I am prepping the car for the 2021 drift season so I can get to as many events at OSW, which is Orlando Speed World, and PBIR. Past couple of weeks, I've been just prepping the car to pass tech at a drift event and just be ready to get towed and shred. Don't know if anyone on the channel has been to drift events. I'm sure a couple of people on here have, but you do need to have a shield protecting your master cylinder. Bought the shield off my boy for like 20 bucks. That was pretty mint. With my headlights, because I have high beams wired on constant, I think high beams are designed to go up and down as opposed to going left and right. So it blinds people on the street. So I changed them for halogens because the LEDs are a lot brighter than those. So I put the halogens in just for consideration over the drivers. Inside of the car, you guys can see I wrote this cool little message. It means display only. And then I got my boy Ricky sticker inside. Make sure you guys follow him. I'm gonna put his @ right here, but I love repping people that send me stickers. So if you send me a decal, I'm definitely gonna put it on the car somewhere. Probably gonna be on the inside, not on the outside, but either way, it's chill. I mounted up a fire extinguisher. It's quick release, which is on the other side. I did do a lot of adjusting on the seat. I am still pretty high up, but at this point, I am just clearing enough to fit with the helmet in the car. It's been running really good. Cooling's been amazing. Oil pressure, math, and idle has been great. AFRs have been kind of iffy, but obviously I need to go through and replace all the gaskets on the exhaust side and get all that figured out, which I will later on before the 2021 season. Go free. Make sure you follow my Instagram, ads right here. You guys need to be updated on things that happen. I post my story quite a bit. My traction arm, the stock one, popped out and came loose. I'm gonna throw in pictures right now. So yeah, you could see that was pretty bad. Thank God it didn't happen on the street. It happened right before I left my gate. I found the bolt. I did upgrade those to ISR traction arms. So basically now every arm in the rear is adjustable except for the LCA. I bought this little camber gauge. This is how I did camber. I'm measuring the rotor and adjusting that and accounting for the slight camber change when it's on the ground. So it's set at +1 off the ground. It's a 1 degree camber change when it's lowered on the ground. So right now, my rear is actually at a true 0 for the first time. I've been trying to do that for so long. I'm not gonna go over this, but I used this and some curtain rods, obviously some strings, jack stands, did a string alignment to set my toe in the rear, which was really, really bad. I had a bunch of toe out. Now I have the smallest bit of toe in on both sides. And it's driving good. It just needs to go on a rack just to make sure everything's perfect. But yeah, it's good enough to drift right now. It's good enough to drive right now. The over fenders, these came with the car when I bought it. They're charge speed. I want to get Origin 55 mil. They're not equal on both sides, so I'm gonna have to mismatch spacers just to get perfect fitment in the rear. I'm taking these overs off and I'm having somebody weld and kind of do like tubs. Right there's a hole obviously, and I can obviously tape up the inside, but at the same time, I just want everything to be done correctly. We're just gonna focus on getting these rivets and getting a new set of drill bits because, as you know, this cheap Harbor Freight one is all messed up. Ran to Home Depot, spent an hour there looking for this, but got a new rivet gun because I broke my other one. Got some more rivets, which I eyed, so hopefully they're the right size. And I just bought a single drill bit to drill out the current rivets and whatever I need to in the future. Picked up some Japanese food, which I'm about to eat right now real fast. I'm telling you guys, like, I want to go to Japan so bad. So bad. Not just to drift, but like to experience everything there. But mostly to drift, you know. Oh, ちゃんとフェント入れた。いやー、安定してます。ちょっとぬるかったかな。There we go. Okay, this was good except for one thing. I'm gonna get my pick and see if I can get it out. But you see how the actual stem is still in there? You don't want that because it makes them extremely hard to drill out when the time comes. Everything works cool with the rivets. That's it for today's video, guys. I'll catch you next time. Peace.